Canadian foreign traders and repair shops. Do you know what is the most profitable thing in the luxury car project business now? Of course, it's an air shock repair project. Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Land Rover, Porsche, and other models with air suspension. Because these luxury cars are shock-absorbing and prone to air leaks, the market demand is tremendous. We provide stable wholesale supply, quality maintenance materials, independent packaging tape, quality assurance, full set of professional equipment, crimping machine, hydraulic press, testing device, etc. One-to-one master guidance plus teaching videos, including technology. Support air freight overseas delivery. New projects and auto repair plants. Foreign trade merchants can do it by looking for sources of goods and starting a business to join. Low cost and high yield. If you are interested in joining the details, welcome to private message or comment area to leave your city.